You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this word from science, biology. If you want to learn more confusing scientific names, that's from chemistry. Stay tuned, I've got more videos you'll want to learn from. Pronounced in English as efflorescence, the action or process of developing and unfolding as if coming into flower, blossoming. Efflorescence. Efflorescence. English pronunciation, how to pronounce efflorescence. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.